How about we start with what precisely Nano and its elements are? Nano is a computerized installment convention that is intended to be lightweight and open. The emphasis is on eliminating the shortcomings present in other digital currencies. The point is to bring Nano crypto into individuals' day-to-day routines. Can Nano beat the market? Nano means to play out its blockchain exchanges in a lot quicker and more adaptable way than Bitcoin. It was additionally planned with new information structures and different systems to acquire a few benefits over other computerized coins. The insignificant block size permits the Nano to do lightweight correspondence, subsequently lessening the exchange affirmation times, making it quicker. Without the conventional evidence of work in mining, hubs utilize altogether less energy per exchange. It is, in that sense, a greener choice than the opposition. Nano additionally has a creative agreement component called Open Agent casting a ballot. In this, a record can pick an agent to decide for the client's sake, regardless of whether the designating account itself is disconnected. These records are designed on hubs that stay online for a critical part of time and decision on the legitimacy of exchanges they see on the organization. This is one more component of the Nano coins which separates them from the opposition. With no direct financial impetus for the hubs, this makes a superior feature for the organization's decentralization. Nano digital money, market feeling. Nano is a worked on Bitcoin, it might be said, with an emphasis on basic blocks that empowers quick exchanges. Generally, Nano stores exchange information in a block development, similar to blockchain-based more modest undertaking. It is not difficult to refresh and get it utilizing this while likewise guaranteeing that blockchain usefulness is kept up with at maximized operation. Nano centers around giving an individual a more straightforward method for getting to Bitcoin innovation and entering their lives. In this manner, the attention is more on versatility and less on encryption advancements that empower unknown exchanges that are hard to follow. The advancement group needs to make exchanges quicker, guaranteeing that the innovation stays versatile with less accentuation on security. Along these lines, the probability of the public authority attempting to boycott Nano digital currency is altogether less. It very well may be conceivable that states themselves gain from this innovation and empower a computerized money in their own nations as a trade for cash, like how the advanced yen was presented in China. Right now, it is challenging to buy Nano as it isn't well known. In any case, what makes Nano great is its charge-less installments. We should investigate the conceivable crypto projections and gauges for the Nano esteem from the business specialists. In light of our Nano cost expectation 2022, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Nano cost figure for 2027 is $12.27. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 403.03%. The ongoing cost of Nano cryptographic money is exchanging above $2.41. According to our Nano cost conjecture, the coin could stir things up around town value level of $2.99 and the greatest value level of $3.39. The typical value level of Nano for the ongoing year may be around $3.18 according to our Nano cost expectation. The Nano cost is estimated to penetrate the typical value level of $2.73 by the start of December 2022. The normal most extreme cost is $3.42. The base cost is $2.32. Nano cost has been showing a rising propensity, and it very well may be a decent portfolio expansion for what's in store. The future cost of Nano is anticipated at $5.13 after the ongoing year, as per our Nano cost forecast. In December 2022, the cost will be around $4.10, with a greatest value level of $4.92. The base cost of Nano may be at its help levels around $3.44 for December 2022. The typical Nano cost for December 2022 is $4.18. Nano cost estimate toward the finish of December 2022 is $4.10. The value change would be 5%, as per our specialized examination on past value information of Nano. In 2022, the cost of Nano is anticipated to stretch around its obstruction level of $3.08. The Nano cost can arrive at the most exorbitant cost degree of $3.62 with a typical cost of $3.20 according to our transient gauge. The Bollinger Group show that the instability isn't acting insane right now, and the cost outline is by all accounts keeping a decent sideways pattern. The RSI marker is drawing closer, the oversold condition approaching 30 worth. Assuming the purchase signal is set off, the holding period ought to likewise integrate the sideways pattern, and the probability of how postponed the sell sign will be. Because of somewhat less movement in the Nano, it very well may be hard to precisely foresee where the sell sign ought to be. However long the sell is made over the help level, subsequently, it is smart to early sell. How about we take a gander at the verifiable information of the Nano coin? We can see that the ongoing cost of Nano is not even close to the highs it had in the primary portion of 2018. These value highs were cosmic, and no measure of craziness ought to have had the option to drop the coin cost. Indeed, there is a justification for that. First and foremost, crypto costs were exchanging at all-time highs, with virtually every rendition of Bitcoin and comparative clones at a stunning cost on the lookout. According to the venture guidance from the monetary councils, the crypto costs are anticipated to be ill-fated due to the absence of national banks to control it and having no real worth. This was trailed by colossal selling and a cost change as short dealers likewise began to dump the virtual monetary forms and sell Nano. Most would agree that assuming the coin mirrors an upswing and returns to its unsurpassed high, it would probably continue a pattern that other cryptographic forms of money will likewise continue on the lookout. In the above Nano USD cost outline, there is a help level between $1.50 to $2. With momentary patterns enduring half a month, one might say that we just have a help level. There is no reasonable opposition level. Yet if one somehow managed to frame an obstruction level, it would be close to $2.63. The typical cost level for the year 2022 is close $3.18 according to the Nano gauge, while the ongoing cost is $2.46. The framework is solid, and the improvement group is as yet buckling down on it. In any case, the drawbacks are likewise there. Like, purchasing Nano is troublesome. Furthermore, the worthiness is non-existent since it is in highly known external little circle. This makes it truly challenging to project the Nano coin's future cost forecast. In addition, in the crypto market, anything can occur because of monstrous unpredictability. Nano Value Expectation 2022. In view of the positive mechanical advancement, any reasonable person would agree that it is feasible for the Nano cost to beat market returns till 2026, assuming the Nano cost rise arrives at the highs of 2018. All things considered, the probability of that incident additionally depends on the way that what drives the market for its reception. The cost could reach $3.39 in the year 2022. Nano Value Forecast 2023. In the year 2023, the greatest cost could stretch around $4.05, least cost at $3.51, and the typical cost at $3.85. All the cost levels mirror the indication of expansion in the cost. Nano Value Expectation 2024. There is plausible of long-haul procuring potential by seeing the ongoing cost rise. The cost could arrive at a greatest degree of $4.65, least degree of $3.25, and the typical degree of $4.04 in the year 2024. Nano Value Expectation 2025. According to the Nano cost expectation, the cost of Nano could reach $5.69 in the year 2025. Assuming that the cost arrives at up to this level, it will be helpful for speculation purposes. Nano Value Expectation 2026. In light of the Nano cost forecast, the Nano cost could go down to $4.71 in the year 2026. However, Nano is sensibly protected, open source, and it tends to be utilized any place on the planet. Is Nano